presents R.I.P.
Legends aren't born, they're built. For speed, I am R.I.P. 10 years ago, air racing needed a new star. So I gave it one. Now I'm known all over the world as a... Yet sometimes I feel lost and empty as I look for the answer to life's greatest mystery. Is there an awesome beyond awesome? Or is awesome the most awesome? No. Still, onward I quest. Ever in pursuit of the one thing I love almost as much as myself. Tenacity, and most of all, humility.
Disney's Planes is coming...